So the last time I did data science was about 5-6 years back. I was doing it with R, but I wanted to get a refresher sort of a course as well as to get some practical training, if you will, in terms of projects and whatnot. Hi, my name is Chenchal Subraveti. I am a scientist trying to see, the last time I did data science was about 5-6 years back, but I wanted to get a refresher sort of a course as well as to get some practical training, if you will, in terms of projects and whatnot. One, of course, the cost of it. Utmost importance to me was that the faculty taught this program live for 2 hours on alternate days per week. So the mentor was very knowledgeable and genial, if you will, to help us interact not only with him, but among ourselves in terms of question and answer sessions. In all, every single professor who taught us from the faculty were great. But the program manager like Rishabh, and there was other person, I forget his name. Both were excellent. In fact, I have conversed with both of them several times throughout the course, several times. I loved the neural networks portion of the course because that's what I wanted to learn. And I ultimately ended up taking project in that. I personally tried to galvanize towards healthcare type projects. I like the neural network project. So I took up the brain MRI tumor detection project. How much you put in is how much you get out. If you spend 3 hours from the project, you get 3 hours out of it. This particular program, for those who are interested in data science, for the following reasons. You want to have a broad understanding about data science and an innate reason or passion to say, what does the data say to me about things that I can do better?